Citizenship Amendment Bill aputhak asu Karbi Anglong District Committee atumpen dipurong supi along armu ka chejeng asai kideng. Dipu along the District Press Club of Karbi Anglong atumpen National Press Day ka London. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Old Secretariat Building CEM Chamber along Assam University Dipu Campus Full Pages Central University ke Pamanji awe kiroi tu amai kangni Karnom ada berta long peneli berta han bang thare harmony pen nan berta ton pen arjik ta Asu Karbi Anglong District Committee atum pen patir pi ponsi phai kuni ni phai crate rock arni kang sang por phai rock apol malam pen Citizenship Amendment Bill aputhak metheng tom outcry pen ka chesong asai keneng aberta ka news along berta nangle Hindu Bangladeshi akhya phang Assam long ri along Dimklong Chaklong lepo alampen Asu Karbi Anglong District Committee atumpen kejalin pon along KSA Dimasa Gorkha Locharia sokpen chenglok Songin kora narkep atumpen armu ke chejeng asai along Chitudun armu ke chejeng asai Dipu Club pen MG Road kengkeng Chejeng Ponsi KSD Road pen kutha Dipu Club an nangpalethu Dipu long supi along Citizenship Amendment Bill aputhak ka chesong asai ke paman pon asom thak thaksi Karbi Anglong akang Prek jam awal adim jesemet pen harhat parkhwa lapen bukuria long armu ka chejeng asai ke paman pon abirta ribdun long
সদসম ছাত্ৰ সন্থাৰ লগতে কেএছৰ লগতে যি 28টা জনগোষ্ঠীয় সংগঠন আছে আমি নাগৰিকত্ব সংশোধন বিল 2016 বিৰুদ্ধে আমি আজি এই জোৰ সমদল কাৰ্যসূচী হাতত লৈছো আৰু আমি বিজেপি গভৰ্ণমেণ্টক আহ্বান জনাইছো যে অতি সোনকালে এই নাগৰিকত্ব সংশোধনী বিল বাতিল কৰিব লাগে আৰু আমি জাতি মাটি ভেটি কথা কৈ যি সৰ্বানন্দ সোণোৱাল চৰকাৰ ক্ষমতালৈ আহিছিল এই সৰ্বানন্দ সোণোৱাল চৰকাৰ নিজৰ দায়িত্ব পালন কৰিব লাগে আৰু যদি দায়িত্ব পালন কৰিব নোৱাৰে সৰ্বানন্দ সোণোৱালে নিজৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী পদৰ পৰা পদত্যাগ কৰিব লাগে
Central government, please do not play with the heart of Northeast people. Stop playing the communal politics because it is enough. We don't have nothing. We don't have to give land for Bangladesh or our country. So that's why we always protesting again and again. If the government will not stop this bill, then we will always protect. We will always protesting again and again.
India adang pi along phai kuni phai crate rock arni National Press Day Catalona along pachiton dunsi Dipu along the District Press Club of Karbi Anglong atumpen patir pi ponsi National Press Day Catalon duna berta pherangke pen card news along berta nang pale
Jaimek ateng ben ada por phai ke ba por pen District Press Club of Karbi Anglong amaipu kiri rong hang pen lama ingthur ponlo apithu kalitang apherangke atumaphan pherangke nogen bora pen si chikimo sai japon lenlo La Sofia da por phai kresia por pen District Press Club of Karbi Anglong amaipu kiri rong hang pen kachipe kupona mayalong alhi sarpu aman pen asom banialong achapang Dilip Chandan phapang jang alhi aman pen em jogot singh ingti MSc Mongol Singh Timong thekar arniwang achapang mati Jaffa amaipu long sing teron MSc Barim Robinson Krolapen ongdong pherangke atum chutong dunsi pherangke atum kiklem kidam nang chapathak chingwai pon
Electronic media আৰু ডেভেলপ হওক যাতে প্ৰটেক্টেড ক্ষেত্ৰত যাতে ট্ৰান্সপাৰেন্স হয় মানে কোনো মানে যাতে অনিয়ম যদি হয় তেনেহ'লে এদিন ধৰা খাব মানুহে গম পাব ৰাইজে গম পাব সেই কথাবিলাক যাতে প্ৰত্যেকটো ব্যক্তিৰ ভিতৰত সেই কথাবিলাক যাতে সোমোৱাই দিব পাৰে তাৰ কাৰণে মই আপোনালোকক যোগ কৰিছোঁ
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Old Secretariat Building CEM Chamber along phai kuni ni phai crate rock arni Assam University Dipu Campus pen Central University an ke paman ponji aphan awi kiroi thu amai ke padopone berta pherangke pen berta nang pale
Assam University Difu Campus along full-fledged Central University Kipaman Japan RD Dujot Pen Kachingwai. Assam University Stilchar Vice Chancellor Professor Dilip Chandra Nath Pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Nang Humrisi CEM Tuliram Ronghang Apan Chetong Tekang Vice Chancellor Professor Nath Nakahomria Hood Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Atum Jagat Singh Ingti Amar Singh Tiso Assam University Difu Campus Pro Vice Chancellor Shivasis Biswas Dibrugarh University Member Long Singh Teron Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretary Nirola Phangchopi Lapen Deputy Secretary Niropoma Phangchopi Atum Chetong Don
Nirmalam support han berta mong ton panik sine
that time of the month. Yes, women experience discomfort and irritation and stops them to grab the opportunities in their life. But from now, say bye to discomfort and irritation with Wings Sanitary Pads, a product of Karbi Anglong. It's safe and comfortable, 100% natural product, ultra thin, eco-friendly, biodegradable and affordable price. And leak lock based technology used. Wings Sanitary Pads best fits to women needs so that nothing stops you. For further queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of genswear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India. Please tap in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang Tharwe alang, Theso alang, Kecho ajam tu, Tharmit aduk, Thelua kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dina mu piputat berta long bang thulo. Den takat along phai kuni ni phai kret rock arni. Throk kebra trok angdeng. Budo setia sabha amanga thek arni. Ketalon duna berta kat nu sa sayam long berta nangli.
Boro alam akiki pacan pon thek Japan pura kidam tang 1952 aningkan phai kuni ni phai kret rock arni BTAD angkang basugang along boro sahita sapham hang pathek ponlo lason wang bompen piningkan an keningkan trokebra trok nang plexi prekja mahabara long sidami amahang kethek arni talon ponlo lason si boro sahita sabha Sonapur Primary Committee ben patir piposi tendakhat along kido All Boro Students Union asai hemalong trokebra trok angdeng Boro Sahita Sabha Mahang Kithek Arni Talon Ponlo Laswalong Boro Sahita Sabha Sonapur Primary Committee Amaipu Dara Basumutari Kongchun Bang Prameswar Brahma Pen Danglong Pinaan Boro Hampang Asong Asongja Rong Sarlapen Locharlia Somartumta Chetongdun
Ada berta bang lepas sekarang tuan poning lah, tumit hang mi kurang tu.